My name's Maeven Eller-Five, and I'm a palmist and a card reader at Mystic Elements. When I was a little girl, I lived with my grandmother for a very long time of my life, and my grandmother also kind of had a gift. If the phone rang, I knew who was on it. If someone was going to drop by, I knew who was coming. I just knew things. When I got to be in the 4th grade, it really became a thing. I just started seeing ghosts, and I started doing seances and scared all the kids in my school and scared my teachers, and I wasn't allowed to do seances at school anymore. Since I was a very young child, I have always had the sight, and not knowing what to do with that, when I was about 16, someone gave me a tarot deck, an auntie. And that tarot deck helped me explore my psychic abilities through symbols that I found in the deck. And I've been reading cards ever since. I've read professionally since I was about 32 years old. That's my part as a reader, is to make sure that the person sitting with me feels safe and comfortable and willing enough, even over the telephone or online, and you can't touch them or see them or their energy isn't right next to you. When I read tarot, it's as if windows open up for me. I'm drawn to the tarot because of the antiquity of the deck and the antiquity of the art. I have this need to look to the right, and as I'm reading, I feel myself pulled to glance that way, and when I do, it's as if a window opens up. 90% of the time, I get a clear vision of what's happening in the querent's life just through my ability to read the cards and this ability to see. One of the probably 2 areas of expertise people seek me out for a lot, and one of those is that I am really good with romance and relationship energies in the cards, in the palms. I can also help you put together some things that you would need to perhaps draw romance or help you figure out what's going on with you in romance. It has been my calling for a very long time, and people have always said to me if I could bottle it, I'd be a millionaire. I don't know how it works, but it does. And I'm very drawn to that. I want people to be happy. The other thing people come to me for an awful lot, I probably have heard more questions singularly on this one topic in my entire life, is, I have spooky things in my house. I have shadow people. I have ghosts. And I have spent the last 20 plus years of my life helping people deal with things that frighten them or the unexplained. I like to feel my place in the web. I want to know that my existence has had a meaning, that I came here in my sacredness just as anyone else has, and that I have a purpose on this earth. And by reading cards and helping other people, I feel like I fulfill that service. I am in service to the lady, and I think that's where I get my knowledge. My name is Maeven Eller-Five, and I'm a tarot card reader and a palmist. I am available for card readings and bookings, large gatherings and small. You can book me online at mysticelements.com.